Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, today we're going to show you how to remove and replace a light bulb on the tag on Suzuki SX4. This one is 2013 model, but it will be the same from 06 to 014. There is a few clips that you need to remove, okay, right here, in order to access them. So depending on which side, you can just remove 2-3 clips. That's how they work. You pull the middle piece and the other one comes out of there, and now you can reach the light bulbs, which are located right there, and you need to turn to the left. It should be counterclockwise, and this is the light bulb. And what you need to do now, you just pull it out. Okay, just a regular light bulb, most of them are the same for the tag light and the license plate. And now you just get a new one, push it in. Okay, push it in like that, and now you need to go in the slots. It's hard to show you guys right there, and turn clockwise this time. Okay, you need to line up everything, and when you feel going in the hole, and then turn to the right. And now, of course, you need to install the clips. There is one here, one there, and one in the thing next to the lock right here. If you're doing the left side, it's the same procedure, but you remove those right here. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.